So we're going to do a chart study, take a look at my recent Spotify buy. I'm going to go through the charts at the time of the buy. So we'll take a look at it. Spotify making new all-time highs today, up 12.4% after earnings. Really strong uptrend, trading over 5 rising daily moving averages. So I've got 2 recent buys here, and we're going to do a chart study and actually look at the charts when I made the buy. So we'll talk about what I saw on the charts. So recent buys, August 20th, and this is from our members position tracking page on the website. Some of the information is not shown here as far as the stock symbols and what have you. We keep that for members access. But Spotify, August 20th at 344. So that position is up 36%. And then October 10th, that position's up 24%. So we'll take a look at the charts in real time so we can do a bit of a chart study. So this goes back the first buy, August 20th, 10:25 a.m. I posted this for members. Spotify added at 344.71. So if we take a look at the chart, this is actually the chart from right after my buy. And we can see that it was trading in a weekly uptrend over 4 rising weekly moving averages. The stock had consolidated for about 5 months, and then it broke out higher here after earnings. So what I saw here was about a 4-week consolidation breaking out over a lot of price support. This is exactly one of my favorite types of chart structure. So I started the position there, and it's important to note that I closed out a position in Spotify about a month before that. It was a 77% gain, and I closed that out lower. So what I actually did here was I bought the stock higher. That's not always easy to do, but I had confidence in the chart. And then we can see the daily chart. So this goes back also August 20th, and it was over 5 rising daily moving averages. It had this big consolidation, broke out after earnings, pulled back sharply. So from $359 to $300 in a 2-day period, it did fill that price gap. So at this point, once that price gap was filled, I put this back on the buy list, and here was buy number 1. So that was August 20th in the mid 340s. So buy number 2, this was October 10, and this was added at 379.64. So here was the chart. What I do whenever I have a position update is I post it on the members Twitter page. Members get a text message alert. They also get an email right away, and then we post it on the website. So the second buy was at 379.84. And if we take a look at how that chart set up, so this is the chart from October 10, right in the 379 area. And we can see that after my first buy, this pulled back to the 50-day. It didn't come anywhere near my stop, bounced, made a new high. So on this pullback consolidation is where I added the second buy. And then if we take a look at the overall chart, so here was where I sold it in July. This was a 77% gain. I just sold it ahead of earnings because I didn't want to get taken down and give back a lot during earnings. But in either case, it gapped higher. So here was position number 1 of the new buy, nice uptrend. Here was position number 2 of the new buy. So this was a continuation. So what I do often when I start a position is I'll start maybe with half of a position, especially seasonally. The August, September period can be choppy. So I started with half a position, and I'm much more inclined to add higher and add to my winners and press my winners than I am to add lower. So in this case, started position 1 here, position 2 here. We can see overall it was in a nice confirmed uptrend. And then today I did book some gains earlier this morning, not a lot. I dialed back a little bit less than 10% of the position. I like to press my winners. I don't like to sell my winners, but after a big price gap up, it does make sense for me to take a little bit off the table. So if we look at where the chart is right now, 471, big breakout. This has turned into a really nice winner for me over the past 12 to 18 months or so. And there could always be, after a big move like this, there can always be some back and fill or some consolidation. But for my time frame, I'm going to continue to press this position.
Welcome to Blue Chip Daily, one of the industry's premier sources for high-level daily technical and trend analysis. Blue Chip Daily is ideal for both investors and traders of all time frames who want to be on the right side of major market moves and trends. We focus on over 750 large cap stocks, all major stock indices, over 70 exchange-traded funds, bonds, oil, gold, and Bitcoin. Sign up now for Blue Chip Daily, and you will get access to real-time portfolio alerts, premium Twitter page with intraday alerts and commentary, the chart of the day with best idea, daily video and report, and much more. Claim 30-day trial at www.bluechipdaily.com. Subscribe to the Blue Chip Daily YouTube channel for more technical and trend analysis videos and other content.